Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel A Plus Mind. Today we learn one of the most important money math topics, simple interest. This helps you understand how bank calculate interest on your savings or loan. Let's make it super simple. Firstly, I will tell you about what is interest. Interest means extra money you either earn or pay. Extra money in which you either earn or pay. Earn or pay. And if you invest money, then you earn. If you borrowed money, then you will pay. Interest is it's completely the percentage. It's completely the percentage of the total amount. Of the total amount which we invest or borrow. That's total money is called principal. That's total money is called principal. Question arise that what is interest and what is interest rate? What is the difference between interest and what is the difference between interest rate? To understand the simple interest, I will give you an example. Suppose you invest money in the bank $1,000. Bank says you, I will give you 10%. I will give you 10% interest. Suppose you invest money in the bank $1,000. The bank says you, we will give you 10% interest per year. That means the bank will give you 10% of $1,000 as extra money. Next, interest is equal to 10% of 1,000. It will 0.01 of 1,000. It will be $100 interest per year. So after 1 year, you will have 1,100 total. Your 1,000 principal and $100 will be your interest. This 100 will be your interest and 1,000 is your principal. This is your interest. Okay. Now in the year 1, today $1,000. And the year 1 we will add 100. It will be 1,100. After 1 year it will be 1,100. In year 2 we will also again add 100. It will become 1,200. In year 3 we will add 100. It will be 1,300. Now you completely understand how we can take an interest and how we add per year, and how we give the values of total amounts. It will be your total amounts. We will add 1000, we will take 1000 and add 100, it will 1100 after 1 year. After second year, we will also add 100 in 1100, then it will become 1200 in the second year, and the third year we will add 100 in the 1200, then it will be 1300, and these values will be increased after some time. Now imagine you borrow $1000 from someone and they charge you 5% interest. You will have to pay back $1050, and 1000 your original amount and 50 will be extra for using the money. Now I will explain you how we will do this simple interest. There will be 5%, 1000 multiply 5 divided by 100. 20 cut with 20, 5 multiplied by 10, it will be $50. So today they have $1000, but we will add 50 after 1 year. After 1 year, you should to remember interest always give you after 1 year, not after months. So you will calculate your values after 1 year, second year and third years. So our time will be always in years. When you borrow money from bank and when you invest the money in the bank, they always put on interest after years, not after months. So after 1 year, they will add $50. It will be 1050. Now then, what is 1050? Now 1050 you will be pay back after 1 year, in which 1000 is your original amount, which is called principal, and 50 is your interest. 50 is your interest, and your total money which you will pay back after 1 year, it is 1050. Now after 2 years, you will add $50. It will become 1100. Now again, our principal will be same because our original amount will be same. It will be never be changed. 1000. Interest will be same 50. It will be same, but our money has been increasing after years, and we add 50 interest after every years. So it will become 1100. After third year, we will add $50. It will become 1150. Now I again explained you our principal means original amount will be same, our interest will be same, but money has been increased because we add $50 after every year. When we add $50, it will become 1050 after 1 year. After 2 years, if you will be more late, then you will pay back 1100. After 3 years, then you will be pay back 1150, and after 4 years, then you will again add $50, and then you will pay back 1200. And this is the series of amounts in which you can calculate your simple interest. Completely understand what is the simple interest. Now I will give you a simple formula in which you can easily calculate your simple interest. Firstly, I tell you about what is principal. Principal, our original amount times we always take in years, not in months. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and 4 year. Not in months. If we take in months, then we take fractions. But I will always ask you. We will take time in years because banks and other companies take interest on years, not on months. Mostly it takes on years. Now it will a rate. Rate is for what is the rate? Rate is interest, but interest is extra. Interest is tell us about extra and rate. Rate is the same thing, but it's tell us how much extra. How much extra means rate the 4% per annum means per year. 4% it's in a person, but always what we will do, 4 divided by 100, our value is 0.04. Now we will calculate our interest. Our principal is, our original amount is $5,000, multiply 0.04 multiply 2 years. When we calculate with the calculator, then our answer will be $1,400. Now we simply calculate the simple interest. Our principal is $1,000. Our rate is 5%. 5 divided by 100, it will be 0.05. Time it will be 5 years. When we calculate them, our answer is $2,500. It was a simple method when you given the values principal, rate and time. Now we will do the some statement examples in which you completely understand the simple interest. Now we will do the example number 1 in which you can easily understand the simple interest. Firstly, we was doing the calculations. Now we will do the statement questions. Asher borrows $2,500 from his uncle for 3 years. In our original amount is 2,500 means it's a principal. For 3 years, it's a time. 6% simple interest, it's a rate. How much interest will he pay on the loan? Our interest is 6%, but we want an answer in rate, not in percent. So we want to finish this percent sign. We will divide 6 on 100. Percent show 100. Then it would be 0.06. Then we write the formula to find out the interest. I is equal to PRT. Our principal is original amount $2,500. Rate is 6%, 0.06. And our years is 3 years. Our time is 3 years. When we calculate this, our answer is $450. Okay. Now, the question arises, either Usher will pay this for only $450. No, it's an interest. It's an interest. If question I ask you, what is the payback amount? What is the payback amount? How much amount will be paid back by Usher to his uncle? What we will do? This is original $2,500, $2,500 principal. We will add this interest $450. Okay, when we add on the calculator, our answer is $2,950. Means Usher will pay $2,950, $2,950 after 3 years. It's an interest. We calculate this interest. Our question demand how much interest will be pay on the loan? Our answer is on that is finished. But if the question asks how much he will pay back, he will not pay back only $450. He will add $450 in original amount, which is principal. Then we add them. Our answer is this. If they ask after 5 years, after 6 years, then we will change the time is there 4, 5, 6, and we will calculate this, and which is our interest, then which interest we add in the original amount. This is our answer, which will pay back amount. So Ashar will pay back $29.50 to his uncle after 3 years, and Ashar interest is $450. Example number 2, Eva invests $3,000 for 9 months. In our statement is $3,000 our original amount, which is called principal. For 9 months, it's a year, it's a time, but we demand in years. She will be paid 8% simple interest on her investment. This is our rate. How much interest will she earn? We will find out the interest. So our interest is 8%. We find the answer in not in percent, in the rate, in the decimal. We drop this percent sign in the 100, 0.08. Now our answer is 0.08. Next, our time in months. But our any banks and investors show interest after 1 year, not on months. But they tell us about months. So what we will do this, our 1 year is 12 months. So our 9 months, we convert months into years. What we will do, we divide 9 divided by 12. We will simplify it. It will be 3.4 years. We will convert months into years. Now we write the formula I is equal to PRT. P is our reserve are 3000 multiply R 0.08 multiply by time 3 by 4. Now when we calculate this, our answer is $180. How much interest will she earn? Eva earn $180. Okay, Eva will earn $180 in interest. I hope you completely understand the simple interest. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos.